I want to talk about 1844 in type and anti-type. He said I must point it that way. That's the day that changed the world. October the 22nd, 1844. The day that led to a new understanding and opened the floodgates of heaven to prophetic and doctrinal insight. It is the day that ushered in the hour of his judgment and squarely placed Mordecai in the gate. It was the day for the restoration of the old west places. Here was a special day, and this day doesn't come out of a hat, it comes out of prophecy. And that prophecy stands on a very, very sure foundation, because it has a starting date, 457, and that has been found chiseled in stone. Archaeology has confirmed it. There's nothing wrong with it.